Hello students, in this video we are going to learn 9th standard maths chapter 5 coordinate geometry exercise 5.2 third sum. Show that the following points taken in order form an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is nothing but two sides are of equal distance and third side is different. Okay, so that is our isosceles triangle. So our aim is to prove these 3 points form an isosceles triangle. So now we are going to find out the distance between each and every pair of the points. So now we have to find out the distance between A and B, and then find out the distance between B and C, and find out the distance between C and A. We have to check any two distances are equal, third distance is different. Okay, so that is our aim, is to prove these 3 points form an isosceles triangle. First, take A and B 5, 4, B as 2, 0, x1, y1, x2, y2. Find out the distance between A and B. AB equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. And then substitute all the values for x1, y1, x2, y2. x2 is 2 minus 5 the whole square plus 0 minus 4 the whole square equal to square root of 2 minus 5 is nothing but minus 3 the whole square plus minus 4 the whole square. Minus 3 the whole square is minus 3 into minus 3, so plus 9. Minus 4 the whole square is plus 16. Okay, so equal to square root of 25. Square root of 25, the value of square root of 25 is 5 units. This is our AB distance. Now we have to find out the BC distance. B point is 2, 0. C point is minus 2, 3. Take this as x1, y1, x2, y2. So BC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square equal to square root of minus 2 the whole square plus 3 minus 0 the whole square equal to minus 2 minus 2 is minus 4 the whole square plus 3 minus 0 is 3 square equal to square root of minus 4 the whole square is nothing but minus 4 into minus 4, so plus 16 plus 3 square is 9 equal to square root of 16 plus 9 is 25. Square root of 25 is nothing but 5 units. That's all. So now we are going to find out the distance between C and A. C and A or A and C. Okay. Our A point is 5, 4. C point is minus 2, 3. x1, y1, x2, y2. AC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square equal to square root of x2 is minus 2 minus 5 the whole square plus 3 minus 4 the whole square equal to square root of minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7 the whole square plus 3 minus 4 is minus 1 the whole square equal to square root of minus 7 into minus 7 49 plus minus 1 into 1. So square root of 50. So what is the value of root 50? Root 50, we have to find out the value for root 50. So we have to factorize this 50. 2 table 25, again 5 table. Okay, so these two 5s are in pair. So we have to write 1 5 outside of the square root, and then this 2 there is no pair. So you keep this 2 as it is in the square root. So 5 root 2 units. This is our AC value. So in this problem our AB distance equal to BC distance equal to 5 units and AC distance is different, 5 root 2 units. Therefore ABC form an isosceles triangle. That's all. Second subdivision. So in this problem also we have to find out the distance between each and every pair of the 3 points. So first take A and B 6 comma minus 4 minus 2 comma minus 4 x1 y1 same procedure. Okay, so AB distance formula square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square equal to square root of x2 is minus 2 minus 6 the whole square plus minus 4, here minus of minus 4, so plus 4 the whole square equal to square root of minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8 the whole square plus minus 4 plus 4 gets cancelled, no, so 0. So we are having minus 8 into minus 8 is 64. Square root of 64 is 8 units. Our AB distance is 8 units. Now we are going to find out the distance between B and C. Minus 2 comma minus 4, C 2 comma 10. BC equal to square root of x1 y1 x2 y2 square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square equal to square root of 2 minus of minus 2, so plus 2 the whole square plus 10 minus of minus 4, so plus 4 the whole square equal to square root of 2 plus 2 4 square plus 10 plus 4 14 square. Okay, square root of 4 square is 16, 14 square is 196 equal to square root of 196 206 212. So our second distance value is 212. So we have to factorize this 212. 2 table 1 2 is 2 0 12 6 2s are 12. Again 2 table 5 2s are 10 3 2s are 6. That's all. Okay. So our square root of 212 is nothing but these two 2's having pair, so we have to take outside of the square root. So this 53 has no pair, so keep your 53 as it is. Understood? So this is our BC distance. Now we are going to find out the distance between A and C. Our A point is 6 comma minus 4, C point is 2 comma 10. So x1 y1 x2 y2 AC equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square equal to square root of 2 minus 6 the whole square plus 10 minus of minus 4 plus 4 the whole square equal to square root of 2 minus 6 is minus 4 the whole square plus 10 plus 4 is 14 square equal to square root of 16 plus 196 equal to square root of 212. Again the value for square root of 212 is nothing but 2 root 53 units. So in this problem our BC distance and AC distance are same. So BC equal to AC equal to 253. 2 root 53 units. Our AB distance is different 8 units. Therefore these two sides are same, no? Therefore A, B and C form an isosceles triangle. Okay. Thank you students.